Average rate of change, M&M quiz 2097. Based on the graph provided, what is the average rate of change of the function? Call that M from x equal to 0 to x equal to 1. So M equals change in y over change in x, delta y over delta x, and that is change in y over change in x. Is it A, 1, B, -1, or is it C, 0? To find the average rate of change of the function, M, and that is equal to change in y over change in x, change in y over change in x. To find the change in y and change in x, you need the ordered pairs. What is the ordered pair associated with x equal to 0? And we see that at x equals 0, y is equal to 0. And then we go to x equal to 1. What is the ordered pair associated with x equal to 1? X equals 1, y is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 is right here. And at that x, what is the y that we read? And that is 1. So y is equal to 1. So now we have x, y, x, y. So instead of doing that, let's call this x1 and call this x2. Let's call this y1 and y2. So the first point is 0, 0. Second point is 1, 1. The first point is 0, 0. And the second point is 1, 1. So here is your x1, y1. And here is your x2, y2. Once you have x1, y1, x2, y2, so we have two ordered pairs. So we can find change in y. Change in y is y2 minus y1. And what is change in x? x2 minus x1. And what do we get? y2 minus y1 is 1 minus 0. And x2 minus x1 is 1 minus 0. So it is 1 over 1, which is 1. So what is our point here? 0, 0. And what is our point here? 1, 1. And so what is the average rate of change of the function? It is change in y over change in x. What is change in y? 1. And what is change in x? 1. So it is 1 over 1, and that is 1. So this is that line. Don't forget, we took this point and this point. So for those 2 points, the average rate of change of the function is 1. Rise over run is 1. So for every 1 unit you move to the right, you move up by 1 unit. Because it is a curve, it is average rate of change of the function. As you can see, if you take another point, then the slope is going to be different. See you at HECANHELP.com. Good luck.